I'm in my dream. I will do nice things with you, my God. My God, I'm going to see you in my dreams. I'm going to, ano yun? Misbehave with you. Ano ba yun? Ayan. You can then sleep na, Sir Nuchika. Thank you for your time. I see you in my live again. I see you in my live again tomorrow or the other day, Sir Nuchika. Thank you.
And here's your too. I forgot this instead.
Wow.
Is that noodles?
Huh?
Is that noodle?
No.
Oh, this is noodle.
This is spaghetti. Yeah. Ang galing-galing na lang ako ko mag-drawing. My
And where's my
God.
other drawing? Ah, it's in the ground.
Galing. Ganda na ng drawing ng Kuya Asi ko. Ang galing-galing na. Ano ba yan? Write to me on Instagram. Write to me on Instagram talaga. Yeah, you can sleep na, Sir Norchika. I end my live soon na. Because I almost 2 hours in my live. Yeah, exact. Yan. Exactly 2 hours in my live. I end my live later. In a minute, I end my live na. Sir Nuchika, thank you. Thank you so much to all of you guys. You can sleep na. I end my live in 15 minutes or 1 hour. 1 hour. Wait, Sir Nuchika. Wait. My God, ang galing na ni Kuya Asi mag-drawing. Galing na ng drawing ng Kuya Asi. Hindi masyadong kita. Oh my God, this is the drawing of my grandson. Galing na ng drawing ng Kuya Asi ko. Ayan, this is my drawing of my grandson. It's very good. Galing niya naman drawing. Ano naman drawing ng Kuya Asi ko? Itatabi ko ito. Kasi yung mga nauna niyang mga drawing, kinakat niya. Oh, this one, the other one. Wow. You can draw it again. You can draw it again. This is another one. My God. You're very good, Kuya Asi. Galing naman drawing ng Kuya Asi. Sana pala marami akong na-drawing na ako yung sinisipag mag-drawing para nagagaya. Galing na ng Kuya Asi ko. I told you, Kuya Asi, your name put in the down of the bond paper. The pasiba. Wow. Galing na ng Kuya Asi ko. Ano yun? Write to me on Instagram. Ayan, I have 2 hours in my life. What time is it now? Pati oras, hindi ko na alam. Because I have no other cell phone to see what time. What's the time? Is it now? Ayan. Thank you so much to all of you guys for staying here in my life. Thank you.